Now it's time for our EVS class. And in EVS, we are going to revise a topic that we have done where we have learned about so many different festivals. Why we celebrate them, how we celebrate them, and what all things we do on these days. Isn't it? So when Ma'am was teaching you about these festivals, I told you that there are two different types of festivals. What are they? One is national festivals, which is celebrated by the whole nation. Puri country celebrates it. And the other one is religious festivals. We have n number of religious festivals. Here I was only able to write few names, but apart of these there are a lot more different festivals that we celebrate. So which are the national festivals? Can anyone tell me? Yes, the three different national festivals are Republic Day. We celebrate on 26th January. Then we have Independence Day, the one which we celebrate on 15th August. And the last one is Gandhi Jayanti that we celebrate on 2nd October. And I told you what happened on these days. Then we have also learned about different religious festivals. Now there are some religious festivals which we have not discussed that we are going to do today. So the festivals which I was able to write is Lohri. It is celebrated in the month of January. Then we have Basant Panchami. Again, we celebrate this festival as the end of winter and the beginning of spring season. Basant mahina hota hai spring season ka. Clear? So on this day we worship goddess Saraswati. Saraswati माँ की हम पूजा करते हैं. Then Holi, you all know, Vaisakhi, Eid, Raksha Bandhan, Janmashtami, Dashera, Diwali, Gurupur, Christmas, and the list keeps on going. So the two different festivals that we are going to learn more about is these one, and after that we also revise these festivals, and there will be a small question page for you which you all have to answer by sharing a small video sheet. Okay? So let's begin and understand and have a quick revision of all these festivals once again. So class, let's begin and understand about festivals of India. Now, the very first one we have is our national festival, that is Republic Day. The one which we celebrate on 26th January every year. And we celebrate this day because our constitution was made and in effect. That is, जो भी हमारे इस country के rules बने, that who will do what all things, वो इस दिन implement हुआ था. Okay? Next we have is Independence Day. One more national festival of our country. You know why we celebrate this day? Because on 15th August 1947, our country got its freedom. Its freedom from the rule of British people. And since then, every year, 15th August is celebrated as our Independence Day. Then, one more national festival we have, that is Gandhi Jayanti, which is celebrated as birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, जिनको हम प्यार से बापू भी बुलाते थे. He was known as father of the nation. His three wise monkeys are saying, see no evil, hear no evil, and speak no evil. Not only this, Gandhiji was very particular about स्वच्छ भारत. वो चाहते थे कि हम सब मिलकर इस भारत को, अपने देश को साफ, स्वच्छ और सुंदर रखें. Now, after the national festivals, we have our religious festival. The first festival that we are going to discuss is Lohri. You know, when we celebrate this Lohri, every year on 13th January. 13th January is celebrated as Lohri festival, and it is very popular in Punjab. People there, they celebrate it with great enthusiasm. What they do? They prepare a bonfire like this, and when they start celebrating, they offer a lot of prayers. They go round the fire, bonfire ke charo taraf, they perform dance, music, and enjoy. You know why we celebrate this festival? This festival is celebrated as the end of winter season. And देखो, जब winters होती है, what happens? The days become shorter and night becomes longer. जो sun है वो जल्दी set हो जाता है. But from the day of Lohri, it is said that days started to increase. जो day हैं वो increase होने शुरू होते हैं और nights छोटी हो जाती हैं. That means we could see and feel the sunlight and its warmth for a longer period of time. Understood? After this we have Basant Panchami, which is also called Vasant Panchami. Some of them called as Vasant and some of them called as Basant. We celebrate this festival as the birth of Ma Saraswati. Years and years back it is said that Saraswati ji ne is din avatar liya tha, and this is also celebrated as the end of winter season. बसंत के महीने की पंचमी को ये त्योहार, ये फेस्टिवल मनाया जाता है. You know, goddess Saraswati is marked as the goddess of education, as a goddess of enlightenment. तो जिस दिन बसंत पंचमी होती है, what happened? People, they worship their books, notebooks, and they take blessings of Ma Saraswati. Then Holi. Holi, you all know, festival of colors. We put colors on each other. We enjoy playing Holi, and it comes in the month of March. Then we have Baisakhi, the harvesting festival of India, again celebrated in the state of Punjab and Haryana, where farmers, they go to their fields to cut down the crops. जितने भी farmers होते हैं वो अपने खेतों में, अपनी fields में जाते हैं और जो crop एकदम ready होती है उसको cut करते हैं. Then we have Raksha Bandhan, the bond of love between a brother and sister. We celebrate it how? Sisters, they tie Rakhi, and brothers, they give a promise to protect their sisters always. Then we have Janamashtami, which is celebrated as birthday of Lord Krishna, Natkhat Kanha. Then Dashera, it's just celebrated, abhi kiya tha humne, victory of good over evil. And you know, on this day we burn effigies of Ravan, Meghnad and Kumbhakarna. Now comes Diwali, which is just approaching, है ना? दिवाली आने वाली है. You all must have started cleaning your home. मम्मा की help करानी शुरू कर दी होगी सबने. Now after cleaning, we all are going to decorate it with beautiful lights and enjoy festival with lot of smile and sharing our sweets and things with others and make others also smile. Then comes Eid. Eid is celebrated by Muslim community. They celebrate it with their family. They go to mosque, offer their prayers and enjoy with family. Comes Guru Purb. Guru Parv is celebrated as birthday of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, and Sikh community celebrate this day with lot of enthusiasm. They offer prayers in Gurudwaras, langars are arranged, prasad is distributed, and every one of us take blessings of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Now, which is the next festival? Yes, you are right. It's Christmas. When we decorate our Christmas tree with lights, lot of other decorations, and we wait for Santa to visit and give us some beautiful gifts. It is celebrated as birthday of Lord Jesus. Okay? Now class, comes some questions. What you have to do, you are going to answer these questions and share a small video with me. Hope you all have understood it well. Now it's time to finish your work. How? Understand these questions, revise them, shoot a video and share with me. Till then, bye all. Take care.